The Vesper add-in for Excel allows you to very easily work with any Vesper data source directly from your own spreadsheet. And the best part is you never need to leave that spreadsheet. So whether you want to pull new data or you want to update the latest data, you can do it all from your own Excel. What you see to the right here is the Vesper for Excel interface. And here the first step I need to do, and I need to do only once, is select the exact data sources that I want. And I can choose, fundamentals, exchange rates, forecasts, futures, all available through this single endpoint. From here, now I'll select Vesper prices. You can take the country route, but you can also say, let's filter by product. In this case, I'm looking at higher proteins. So let me select maybe a WPC 80, and I will select a WPI. But this allows you to select up to 100 prices in one go. Then I'll press search, and from there, I see what the results are from the Vesper database. In this case, I see we have weekly prices for WPC 80 from Europe and US, and WPI, of course, as well. I'm going to select all of those, and then it's going to ask me which start date. Well, in this case, let's take a few years worth of data. We'll go to January 1st, 2022, up into today, and then it's going to ask me the currency. If I leave this empty, I'm going to get the original currency. So the US price is probably in US dollars, the European one's in euros. But in this case, I would like the system to calculate to US dollars to be able to compare easily. I can select a metric or leave empty and get the original one. In this case, I would like to have metric done to ease comparisons. And now I'll press import. This will make, at the bottom here, a new sheet, which is going to have all this data for me, weekly, very easy aligned and ready for you to start adding to your own spreadsheets and models. But the best part about this maybe is you set this up only once, but if you want to get the latest data, which I can maybe best show you by removing a part of it, is I now only have to press the update data button, and it's going to automatically refill again and make sure I'm always working with the latest data. So the new way of working, open your Excel, press update, and your models are ready to go.